Last week, ena me ma moti ase se Kojo Oppong Nkrumah e de asema kwa kopiem e wo Supreme Court. Na we sue the Chief Justice. Na nini na se practice bia akoso among at least as far as we can remember the last 3 Chief Justices e wo man we mu no. MPP for say omo nkwa edu omo so asebe omo ye nipa senga na fonti omo mpese ye de saa emra ne bibedi omo nti no omo the Chief Justice na court na practice ben ni na ne say ye obi a friend legal vacation say judges ebe ye adwuma the whole day nti senior teachers na omo vacation students ema kwan ya omo nso beji omo ahome no judges ne nso no around August to October no na yema legal vacation into court cases no enkoso judges be kofi no makwa akwaje omo ahome but na omaya yetimu yenim se jumedia judges no edi no very 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 crucial what you say intinesi ye ka say judges call vacation for that long time na ebia doing that time boni etu ntwa na ye den sem call court dia na trese oman no that time no say ya hwe ya bibiboni betumi esi inti no the old practice and say cases are a year of national interest say Ghana for any data cases na chipa no the Chief Justice the Chief Justice etumi ma ade bia ye friend certificate say even though ye wo legal vacation no cases bi wo still yendi judges bi international ne yenye the ni yendi sa cases no inti MPP time Chief Justice or say MPP President Akufo-Addo Chief Justice beye 2 wo the emphasis mainly ni 2 eni niebo a ene get to talk on inti under the MPP eni niebo a ye the same thing get to talk on nso ye the same thing inti the new Chief Justice ababa po bafo boni nso hu ne say na say we the normal practice inti menso wo say me ye bi okoko ye bi ape MPP for say da bi because omon krofo mienu edubu ahin a case koso any Wahab anunsu case koso enti no eni kwan say legal vacation ye ma court ejuma enti omo protect omo ho ti ano na nam so ma Kojo Oppong Nkrumah e di asem na akwakopiem e wo Supreme Court na omo ko Supreme Court no the story that's coming through is that Supreme Court had dismissed Kojo Oppong Nkrumah's objection. The final ruling no enyambae but omo had dismissed Kojo Oppong Nkrumah's objection will raise here ewo court and we are going to read to understand objection ben no raise here omo had dismissed. Internet your first time or has subscribe and click the notification bell on so. Here is our latest news be about on Sabek. And this video is kindly sponsored by Biogas Expert Engineering. Se unhia insure clean water mesrefre Biogas Expert Engineering na omo en supply be emma. Baba wati asiye se Ghana Water Company for the womo tre ene se insure ho enche ho be na ewo Ghana ha. Na nini na ne se nkrofo a free ekrase ababetena kuru kesiem no omo doso. Aside that Ghana fonso ye wo bebre. Your systems galamse nensensem ni na ma insure da chibi no omo Ghana Water Company omo ntumi provide insure ma yente sese ne omo so mo provide insure nti this is the time wo Ghana ni a wo tie me e was a wo take a decision because wanye ne sa in the next 5 to 10 years omo betrel ma Biogas Expert Engineering embra metu borehole emma omo tu borehole mawa one Ghana Water Company any problem biabium ubenya insure 24/7 omonso na Ghana ha se ye ka number 1 Ghanaian company a wo munim borehole to pan eyomo unim se media member of the best deals 054-620-5377 one Biogas Expert Engineering for entwetwe nkomo. Now yenhwe story no o say Supreme Court dismisses Oppong Nkrumah's objection to Deputy Attorney General representing CJ in vacation court case. Also the Supreme Court has dismissed Kojo Oppong Nkrumah's objection to Deputy Attorney General Justice Remsai representing the Chief Justice in the vacation court case. Also, the Supreme Court has dismissed an objection raised by lawyers of members of Parliament for Ofuase Ayirebi MP, Kojo Oppong Nkrumah, against the Deputy Attorney General representing the Chief Justice in his suits challenging the vacation court trials. And the Chief Justice, because Kojo Oppong Nkrumah is suing the Chief Justice. The Chief Justice is it's a public figure. Oye aban mu nipa. Ena aban so lawyer Justice Remsai. No, aban lawyer the Attorney General. Inti Justice Remsai so na all handle cases be say ama the Attorney General's office. Inti Justice Remsai was representing the Chief Justice. Ena Oppong Nkrumah raise case and said dabi. Omo the Chief Justice aba court. The entire Attorney General no represent Chief Justice. Inti omo raise objection. And you say courts ab objection no egu. Let's get to know the details. So say Justice Gabriel Puaman, sitting as a single judge, overruled the objection on Thursday, August 20th, and said full reasons for his decision will be contained in the ruling on the interlocutory injunction application slated for August 21st, 2026. In the end, a year Justice Scott Piaman had the full ruling. The case titled Oppong Nkrumah versus Chief Justice and Attorney General had Frank Davis representing the plaintiff stroke applicant, while Deputy Attorney General Dr. Justice Remsai appeared for both respondents, Chief Justice and Attorney General. When the case was called, Frank Davis raised an objection, saying, "We have a problem with the Deputy Attorney General representing both the Chief Justice and Attorney General because we are guided by the legal position of this court, and unless the court intended to depart from that decided principle, we submit that the Chief Justice should be represented by counsel other than Attorney General." So this is the issue they raised. Also, he argued that the Chief Justice is sued not as part of the state and its judicial capacity, but in respect of an administrative discretion being challenged, which is the issuance of warrants authorizing High Court judges to conduct trials during the legal vacation. It is strictly the administrative decision of the issuance of the warrants that we are here to challenge, Frank Davis submitted. Now, I say he cited the cases of Na Kwale Amegache, and Attorney General, Speaker of Parliament and Electoral Commission, J1/1/2012, delivered on May 9th, 2012, and James Marshall Belly versus Attorney General and Chief Justice, where he argued that Article 88(5), which mandates the Attorney General to defend all civil cases against the state, does not apply where the Chief Justice exercises administrative discretion. The Chief Justice is a defendant in this matter because of an administrative discretion which is being challenged. And so far as that is concerned, this court has said that the Chief Justice must have representation other than the Attorney General, he submitted. Now, this is Deputy Attorney General's response. Justice Remsai Emma response. Also, in reply, Deputy Attorney General Dr. Justice Remsai described the objection as unfounded. He submitted that it is only where there is a conflict between the position of a constitutional office holder and that of the Attorney General that separate legal counsel becomes necessary, and that the Dom-level case is clear on that principle. Also, the general principle is that the Attorney General represents public officials. No exceptional ground has been laid by the applicant as to why an exception should be made in this case, Dr. Remsai argued. He added, there is no doubt that the Chief Justice is being sued as the administrative head of the judiciary, and that settles the matter. And Social Justice Remsai soon someone already here, or say, oh, dabi. Attorney General there, or no need the say, or representing public officials. Chief Justice no ejuma, not in a personal capacity, but ejuma as a Chief Justice. As at time now will take a decision or a public official. It is a me Attorney General. Na me ejuma ne say, me represent public officials there. So me represent Chief Justice any problem. Inti hona court ne babema ruling. Or say in his bench ruling, Justice Piaman dismissed the objection and said his reasons will be provided in the ruling in the injunction on Friday, August 21st. Also, the CJ was served with the processes in this matter and has sent a lawyer to represent him. The legal representation allowed by the Attorney General does not take away the rights of the Attorney General as a defendant, Justice Piamai ruled. I shall give full reasons for my position in my ruling on the motion he held. The court subsequently heard the substantive arguments on the interlocutory injunction application against the vacation courts conducting trials and adjourned the matter to August 21st. In the end, you don't say court no ebe grante a year Kojo Oppong Nkrumah that injunction na omo person almost stop a year the legal vacation cases no to continue and now say you be injunction no egu. We wait to see, right? Today we are going to we are going to know into asem no nini na no
Ghana ni bia wutie me no book we eye asset ba ko a e wo se wo keep e wo fie to book we ma wo ho to ma wo ba to ma obi biara osombo e wo wabrabo mu wadanfo obi a opese odi ye wabrabo mu bia no to sa book we your friend the Ghanaian investor na sa book we bet show different forms of investment a obetumi aye e wo Ghana ha licensed investments. The first one e ya de bia your friend emergency fund. Book we bet show send you best set up emergency fund. Abrabo aye boy bibia betumi ato. If you have an emergency fund, ebeba na ba be save you. Oka betumi asay wo kwan so. Obetumi ayare, oba betumi ayare. Nini na emergency fund no ebe take control of all those situations. Book no besan so atre wa de bia ye fe endowment fund. A obetumi dia protect wo ho any future. Na sa endowment fund no nyame mpengu ukokonya accident na untumi nye adwuma bioma it will take care of you for the rest of your life. Book no besan so atrel senya obe set up a personal pension fund. Nkrofo bebre eye adwuma wie ekọ retirement omukọ retirement we no mo ho aba betwe mo o set up a personal pension fund. That will not be your case. Most importantly, book we betrel how to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange. Now Ghana Stock Exchange investment basically it means you are buying ownership of Ghanaian companies. Now Ghana Stock Exchange it is one of the best performing markets in the whole world. A lot of people are making money from the Ghana Stock Exchange, but they don't know how to invest in it. Book we a better idea your investment be why a friend mutual fund. Book we better how to invest in a mutual fund. Now mutual fund you don't need to be rich to invest in a mutual fund. I remember an example. Yamfane say wa ba fresh. Now wa per license mutual fund e wo Ghana ha say o pese odi usikashim. Say o to me invest 500 cedis every single month. E wo a Ghanaian mutual fund mo. By the time I wo ba be di 19 years no. Na wa dane millionaire. Yamfane say o wo fa CB we di 10. O pese da chi bi odi ye. Every month for 500 cedis e she mutual fund mu e ma no. By the time I wo ba no and our fast no obedi 29 years no na oye millionaire. Wankasa wutie me we di 40. Nanso wo hwa onye investment bia eno ane say obeye mutual fund every month for 500 cedis e shem. By the time obedi 59 years no na wenya 1 million Ghana cedis. Into mutual fund no, that is how it works. Small money every single month. By the time embre ebeba no nesika no ayekese. Book we better sanya mani na. Sa ope book no ni PDF anase ni twi video a. Free anase WhatsApp number na ewo book ni so sisi a. Na sa we Ghana ni na wa brochure na ope hard copy of the book a very simple call Amazon. Na search for the Ghanaian investor. Place the order. Baby I will be able to ship it. Eddie Abreu. Medasi.